Hi, my name's John Brakefield. I'm a lawyer at the law firm of Brakefield, Gainesville, Georgia. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about the second of 3 standard field sobriety tests which are authorized by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, which is the walk and turn. In the walk and turn, the officer will have the driver either stand by the headlight for officer and driver safety because it's furthest away from traffic, or more in the center in order to record the events on any sort of camera the officer may have. The officer is going to have the obligation and the duty to instruct the driver properly. This is important for 2 reasons. One, from the officer's standpoint, they want the test to be done correctly so that they may be able to determine whether the person is or is not under the influence of alcohol. Second, from a legal standpoint, it's important that the officer instruct, because if the instructions are bad, that could have an influence on why someone did not perform the test correctly. So, the officer's going to let the driver know, driver, what I want you to do is take your left foot, pretend that there's a line going straight down. I want you to take your right foot heel to toe. Put your hands by your side and listen to my instructions and do not start until I tell you to. At that point, the officer will continue to give instructions. Once the driver's in the instructional position, the officer's going to be looking for 2 clues. One, is the person following instructions? Do they start too early? That's going to be an important one. And also, do they lose their balance? Unable to stay where they are. Lose their balance, obviously. So, once the driver's in this position, driver, what I need you to do is take a series of 9 steps down, turn around, and 9 steps back. Such as 1, 2, 3. With your front foot planted, I need you to take a series of small steps around and come back down the line. 1, 2, 3. Again, I demonstrated 3, but I need you to perform 9 steps. The officer is going to instruct the driver. I need you to watch your feet. I need you to count out loud. Keep your hands by your side and go heel to toe, and do not stop until you've completed the exercise. These instructions are important because these are the clues that they're looking for. 1, watch your feet. 2, count out loud. All right, if you're not counting out loud, the officer is going to hold that against the driver. Hands by your side. If you raise your arms to balance, that's going to be counted against the driver. Keep walking until you've done the exercise completely. If you stop at 5, you stop at 6, or if you go to 25, that's going to be a problem because you've taken either too few steps or too many steps, and the officer's going to hold that against you. When we talked about your front foot planted and take a series of steps around, obviously making that turn, one could lose the balance at that point, so it's important that you do the turn correctly. Steps off line. When they talk about walking down this imaginary line, if the person steps this way or that way, steps off line, that will be counted also. Okay, that is an overview of the walk and turn. Please remember that this is just for informational purposes. It's not legal advice. If you have any questions about this or any DUI case or any matter, please feel free to contact us via our website or via telephone. Thank you very much.